Welcome to the tutorial for the trait system of the Ecotaxonomy. Click on Traits on the dashboard. Here you can see a list of all ecological traits and identification characters. You can create a new trait by clicking on the Create in Form button. Give a name, choose a taxon. For example, trophic level can be attributed to all taxa, while the type of root system is attached to plants. Select a data type, number, text, or categorical. Choose identification character or ecological trait. Save it. In the expanded trait form, to the left you can see the tree of taxa with attached traits. For example, the identification character number of flags is attached to Chilopoda. Switch between traits by clicking on the names in the list. On the right, we can modify trait information. You can choose a subcategory for the character. Choose if it's one of the key characters, if it can be inherited, and add a definition. Save the information using the Save button on the top. Since this is a categorical character type select, we have to add categories and their definitions. This information is saved automatically. You can also add images to traits in the Pictures tab. This procedure is equal to that in taxon form. Now you can switch to the taxonomy table and find your new trait. By scrolling down, we can find the trait in the Health subcategory. Here we can choose a category and save. As another example, you can create a numeric trait. Click again on the Create in Form. This time, we will choose data type integer. In the expanded trait form, we can now define measurement units and define a range of possible values. Add the needed values and click Save. By switching back to the taxonomy table, you can see the newly created numeric trait with measurement units. Now you can add a numeric value in this field.